DRDO's new COVID drug. This is what everybody's talking about on WhatsApp groups, on other forwards. Everybody wants to know, is this drug as big a game changer as is being claimed? Now, it's been backed by some of the biggest names in the country. Dr. Reddy's DRDO, the drug controller of India, has also given its clearance for emergency use, making it all sound very promising. But when is it effective? What is the science behind it? What is the evidence behind this drug usage as well? This is what we will break down for you on the show today. So let's get into our explainer. First up, what is 2-DG? Well, it stands for 2-deoxy-D-glucose, essentially a modified glucose, the type which so far has been used for some therapeutic value as an anti-cancer and an antiviral agent. Now, DRDO says it is to be used only as an adjunct therapy, meaning it is an additional treatment to the already running treatment for COVID-19 in the country. It is only to be used in moderate to severe cases, not the mild ones. Now, this drug has been jointly developed by the DRDO, Dr. Reddy's laboratory, and now has India's drug controller's clearance for emergency use as well. And the company claims that it can be produced easily in huge quantities as well, which is a big plus for India. The drug essentially comes in a powder form in a sachet and is advised to be taken twice a day after dissolving in water for at least a week. But what exactly does it do? Now, the claim so far is that it leads to faster recovery of patients hospitalized with COVID. It also claims that hereby preventing the spread of virus, it's not just reduces the dependence of oxygen supplements, but leads to faster recovery as well. It also claims to work against all the mutants of COVID-19. Wondering how? Well, sample this. What exactly is the tech? Now, remember, I said that 2-DG is a modified glucose, so basically it looks like glucose but is not. Well, the virus, for multiplying fast in the body, needs glucose for energy. When the virus feeds on this modified glucose, or what many call pseudo-glucose, the claim is that it will get arrested, meaning it will stop from multiplying at that same rate. So you must be wondering, what is the evidence that this actually happens? Let's look at the clinical trials and what is that data throwing at us. The evidence so far is that the initial experiments found the molecule worked effectively against SARS-CoV-2. Then DRDO-DRL conducted phase 2 trials that was conducted on 110 patients. Phase 3 trials were carried out on 220 patients. And at the end of those trials, they concluded that they had relatively higher number of patients become free from supplemental oxygen by day 3 of the dosage.